is Sonia with RC Solutions, and today I have an unboxing, and this is from Amazon. A lady named Ia contacted me and asked me if I would like to do a review of an item that she sells on Amazon, so I was honored to do just that. So I got my package, and we're going to open it up and see what we've got. And it's called the Bleds. It's the 501 piece scrapbook kit. And so this is what it looks like. So good for you. And oh, cool. So here's some of the things that are in here. Now, when you go onto the Amazon site, you'll see it's like 501 pieces of scrapbook supplies. You get like 460 sheets of the thin decorative craft paper and 40 pieces of flower stickers, 1 adhesive roller for journaling, ATC card planning, junk journaling, and there's just different things you can do. And it's $13.99 if you were interested in getting it, and I'll have a link down below in the description. So let's just go ahead and see what all is in here. And these are those stickers, is what it looks like. Let's just open it up and kind of get an idea of what these stickers look like. These are the, I think this is the 40-piece stickers. Yeah, it's like 40 pieces. Really pretty, transparent, kind of summery. Pretty sunflowers and just different little old things. Just so pretty. I'll probably use these on a layout or something. It's probably what I'm going to do. I'll probably make like a layout with this. So that's that one. And then cottage garden. These are, let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not, but let's just open it up and see what we've got. And we've got some pretty pieces of like ledger paper and vintage style writing, and like looks almost like library card type stuff. Just different papers, just really pretty. And they're different sizes, and I like that. Let's see. And different colors, different styles, different patterns. Very pretty, and I love this kind of stuff because I love vintage. So I'm very grateful that she offered this to me. And so we've got that. And then we've got some more of these little smaller papers. There's 60 pieces in here. And these are all really small. And the website will tell you, like if you click on it, like on the different pictures, it'll tell you like the different sizes of stuff. Some of them are like, I think these ones that like 60, it's like 60 by 110 millimeters or something like that, which I don't know, you have to convert that into inches on your own. I don't know how to do that yet. I mean, I know how to do it, but I don't know what the conversion is as of this point. But I like these. They have like a floral print, and they're kind of thin, but I like how they're almost like a solid color. They look like they're copies of like homemade paper in a way. It's what it reminds me of. Very pretty though. And I could definitely use these for something. So there's 60 pieces of that. 60 of the ones that have the, looks like a journal or something. And let's see, there's 60 of these cottage garden. So there's different like colors and patterns and things like that of papers in each of these sets. So I guess there's like 60 in each one of these. So of the different styles. Very pretty. And I love these tones, like earth tones and stuff like that. Almost like a marble kind of look. And I can definitely do something with those. And then we have some like this, and this is also 60 pieces. It's a lot. You get quite a bit in here. So definitely worth checking out. Very pretty. Gorgeous papers. I'm going to have fun with this. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do like a layout with these. And you can make some tags. You can do all kinds of things with these. Maybe make some paper clips, hidden paper clips, different things like that. Oh, I like these. It's got like more like a postage kind of look to it. I love these. Postcard, yeah, I like that. These are really nice. Oh, that's cute. I might just take that out and then use her as like a focal point on one of my, oh, here's some more cute little ones with like different images and stuff on them. Very cute. Oh, there's some more with images. Oh, I like that too. So, yeah, I'll probably keep this out because I'll probably use that along with the stickers and maybe this, oh, some of this cute blue. These blues are really pretty too. Let me see what these look like. These floral print. That's very pretty. Very, very pretty. It's almost like a wallpaper kind of color. These are very pretty. And they're basically the size of my hand. So you can see the sizes of them. And then, oh wow, we've got all these little cards in here. It's like cards and stickers or something. 100, yeah, you get 100 pieces in this one. And then it kind of shows you some of the different things, the different things that come in here. So let's just kind of get like a base idea. You get little different shapes and stuff. Very pretty. And I think you get almost like double some of the stuff that's in here. This is cute. I might use this, one of these. Definitely some of those little blue ones. This is cute. Might use that. It's going to be hard for me to choose what to use because there are so many cute little things in here. All kinds of stuff. I like the different shapes and stuff like that. I'm just going to try to give you just kind of glance through what's in here, because there are quite a bit. I want to try to get some stuff with like contrasting colors, so I might not use all that. I'm just setting some of those to the side because I know that those will go really good together with this. That's cute. Oh, there are a lot of cute little things in here. Like I said, it's 501 pieces of paper all together. So, oh, wow, these are nice. So cute. Yeah, I'm not sure which ones I'll use precisely. And, so that's this one. And you get 100 pieces in that one. You get 60 in all the other ones and 100 in this one. So I'll probably take some of these back here. And then you also get this little tape runner, this little glue tape. So that's pretty cool. So, let's see. Let me go ahead and package. Let me organize this and get my journal out. And we're going to go ahead and make something right quick. Okay, so I gathered a few things to use along with it. And I've got some cheesecloth, some lace that I may or may not use. I'm not real sure yet. And I've got some old book pages and then just some, a piece of a McDonald's bag. I don't know. I may or I may not use this. And I've got my journal out. So let's find us a page to journal on. Let's see. I need to find one that's kind of solid. I think I'm going to use this page. Okay, so now the papers are a little bit thin. Now what I'm going to be doing is, let's use that to hold that down. I'm going to fussy cut out this little girl. I'll just fussy cut out her whole little setting. And then I'm going to glue her to some of that paper, the McDonald's paper bag, just because it's a little bit more sturdy. And I'll probably do that with this butterfly as well. Let me go ahead and cut out this little butterfly. This is so pretty. I hate to do that and separate it from this page because it really makes it pop. And I'm still going to use this paper as part of the layout, but it's going to be placed somewhere else. This is really nice. Those are some really cute things in there. The papers and things like that. Okay, so let me just go ahead and first distress. I'm just going to use some of this archival ink coffee. I'm going to distress these little images right quick. And then I'm just going to glue them onto that paper or cardstock. Because I love to have everything distressed. And then after that, I'm going to, like I said, I'm just going to glue it to the paper bag, cut it out, and then I'm just going to, I'll probably just put some music on and then create like a layout. So, I might put it in fast forward mode, I don't know. But yeah, let me just go ahead and do that and then just sit back and watch. this is pretty much it, guys. I love the papers and the not the washi tape, but the stickers and things like that. I was very pleased with it, and all the tape runner really surprised me, pleasantly surprised me, because it turned out really, really well. And so yeah, I highly recommend this company, Blue Stickers 501 on Amazon, and like I said, I'll have a link in the description, and you can check it out and get it if you like it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please check out my channel and my other videos and my blog and my social media sites, and check out this Amazon site. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.